Hello guys, today I have another indicator. We call it economic indicator, which is affect the cryptocurrency. So today the time is 19 in Asia time. So you go to the trading.com, so you can check out in description below, and when you click on that link in the description, it shows you like this. So you change the time where you're located. So for me is 7+7 here. So it's going to release on 19. So here 19 PMI, here I'm sorry, no 21, I'm sorry. It's going to release on 21. The time is 21 here. Okay, so the value here is 52.8. okay, 52.8. so it's going to release on 21 in Asia time. So what is the bad value and what is the good value? For the good value, if it bigger than this value, we call it bullish. But if it bad, we call it bearish. If it is smaller than this value, it is the cryptocurrency is going down. And if the value is bigger than 52 or 53, it's good. We call it bullish. The cryptocurrency is going up. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please subscribe for more. Bye bye.